Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to sell on Displate in 2025 with a beginner-friendly guide. If you're an artist or designer looking to make money by selling high-quality metal prints, this is for you. Let's get started. 1. Create a Displate account. Go to displate.com and click on Sign Up. Register as an artist and complete your profile. Add a profile picture, bio, and links to showcase your work. 2. Upload your artwork. Click on Upload Design in your dashboard. Make sure your artwork meets Displate's size and quality guidelines. Use high-resolution PNG or JPG files with a minimum of 300 dpi. 3. Optimize your listings. Add compelling titles and descriptions for each design. Use relevant tags to improve discoverability. Choose the right categories and themes to attract buyers. 4. Promote your store. Share your Displate store on social media, blogs, and online communities. Run paid ads on platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Use SEO-friendly keywords to rank higher in search results. 5. Earn commissions and get paid. Displate handles production, shipping, and customer service. You earn a percentage of each sale, depending on the size of the print. Withdraw earnings via PayPal or bank transfer once you reach the payout threshold. And that's it. Now you know how to start selling on Displate in 2025 and turn your art into income. If this guide helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next one.